Question 31. Is it a wrong view not to believe in the spirits of the deceased?
According to the Nikaya scriptures, the Buddha taught that not believing in the existence of the spiritual realm, transmigration, is considered a wrong view. We do not need to wait until death to understand this truth. By calmly reflecting, we can realize that death is not the end, but a transition from one state to another. Before death, people live in their physical bodies. After death, they continue to exist as invisible spirits. This transition is a natural process. However, because these spirits are invisible, we tend to forget them, inadvertently disrespecting them. We have to understand them with wisdom rather than just our physical senses. Much like understanding electronic machinery requires knowledge and intelligence beyond what the eyes can see. Nowadays, many cameras with high sensitivity have captured images of spirits in various places, which reinforces the belief in their presence. We should understand them to have the appropriate respect and offer them food to help alleviate their hunger, as many wandering spirits suffer from hunger for a long time, similar to impoverished people in this physical world. They can still benefit from the food we offer. Additionally, we can recite sacred sutras and prayers for them as a spiritual gift to these beings.
Question 32. Some priests advocate exorcising ghosts when homeowners discover a spirit in their house. Is this right or wrong?
Spirits, like humans, can be categorized based on their merit. Some have great merit, while others have little. Spirits with more merit have proper places to reside, while those with less merit wander in hunger and coldness. The temperament of spirits also varies. Some are gentle, while others may be more aggressive. When spirits show signs of their presence, it does not necessarily mean that they intend to harm. Sometimes, they might simply want to seek food from us or wish for prayers to help them escape suffering. Unfortunately, many people misunderstand these signs and immediately call for exorcism to banish the spirits, which can offend and...
Question 33. How can we know if our merit is great or small?
We carry a lot of negative karma from the past, which continues to influence us, while the positive karma we create in this life may not have yet matured into visible results, making it difficult to perceive our merit clearly. However, if we spend our lives doing good deeds, helping others, planting trees, digging wells, repairing roads, fixing neighbors' houses, building new homes for the community, helping children go to school, assisting the poor with medical care, paying taxes diligently, teaching others about the law of karma, encouraging moral development, and promoting love and compassion among people, we are likely to enjoy a peaceful and happy old age, which reflects some of our accumulated merit. After death, we may be reborn into a favorable realm, And if reborn as a human, we will have a noble status. The concern is if we do too few good deeds in this life. If our blessing runs out before we die, we may face hardship and loneliness and old age and become a suffering spirit after death, taking a long time to be reborn into a lowly position.
Question 34. What does it mean to cultivate towards the goal of non-self?
All sentient beings are influenced by the ego, which is the sense of self. This feeling of self is an illusion, but it governs human psychology. The larger the ego, the more a person becomes immoral, greedy, arrogant, aggressive, selfish, jealous, ambitious, and competitive. Most wise masters advise people to diminish their egos to develop morality. The smaller the ego, the less unwholesome tendencies a person will have, making it easier to develop moral qualities such as humility, compassion, generosity, charity, tolerance, kindness, gentleness, and patience. However, only the Buddha taught complete non-self through the Noble Eightfold Path, with meditation as the core practice to overcome ego attachment. Non-self means the absolute absence of the ego and the attachment to the self, leaving only a unified, boundless existence of all beings. This is the ultimate goal of Buddhist practice. If we stray from the goal of non-self, no matter how much we practice, we cannot achieve liberation, as the ego is the chain that binds us to the endless suffering in samsara. The ego is so subtle and deceptive that even when we reach deep meditative states, it can deceive us, leading to pride. Even when we live virtuously, frequently helping others, it can lead us to feel pride in our good qualities. Therefore, in daily life, one must be wise and intelligent to avoid being deceived by the ego's hidden and insidious nature.
Question 35. How are the realms in the universe divided?
The realms of existence are divided in several ways. When categorized by consumption, the human realm and the animal realm are considered realms of visible matter, while the realms of heaven, demigod, hungry ghosts, and hell are realms of invisible spirits. If divided by merit, the animal, hungry ghost, and hell realms are characterized by low merit and high sin, where beings experience significant suffering. The human realm is a mixed realm, where beings have both sin and merit, experiencing both happiness and suffering, while the realms of heavens and demigods are realms of high merit, where beings enjoy great happiness and blessings. If divided by psychophysiological characteristics, the desire realm includes 6 heavenly realms: the heaven of delight in creation, Nirmanarati, the heaven of joyous emanations, Parinirmita Vasavartan, the heaven of contentment, Tusita, the Yama heaven, Yama, the heaven of 33, Triyastrimsa, the heaven of the 4 great kings, Katar Maharajika. It also includes the human realm, the animal realm, the realm of hungry ghosts, and the hell realm. A defining characteristic of beings in the desire realm is that they still possess sensual desires. Above the desire realm are the realms of the form realm. Here, the celestial beings possess very large forms, but no longer have sensual desires. The form realm consists of 18 levels, which are actually divided into 4 stages of meditative concentration, from the 1st jhana to the 4th jhana. Those who achieve the 1st jhana or higher in their practice will be reborn in the form realm after leaving the human realm. Higher than the form realm is the formless realm, which comprises 4 levels. In this realm, deities have transcended both sensual desires and physical form, existing as pure, intangible consciousness. The Buddha cosmology is vast and thorough, offering a comprehensive understanding of the universe that surpasses any other religious or philosophical perspective.
Question 36. How does rebirth between different realms occur?
Beings are reborn into realms that correspond to their karma. For example, those with great merit are reborn into the human realm or ascend to the heaven realms. Those with many sins descend to the animal realm, the realm of hungry ghosts, or the hell realm. Those who have merit but retain sensual desires are reborn in the heavens of the desire realm. Those who have merit and have overcome sensual desires are reborn in the form realm. Many celestial beings in the desire realm are reborn as humans when their lifespan ends. The lifespan in the heaven realms is proportional to the level of the heaven, ranging from several hundred years to millions of years.
Question 37. According to the law of karma, what can one do to quickly gain great merit?
The greatest merit comes from guiding, supporting, and helping sentient beings in their spiritual practice to achieve enlightenment. However, to become a master with enough virtue and wisdom to instruct others, one must already have accumulated substantial merit in the past, so it is not easy to quickly achieve such great merit. A bit easier way is to explain the law of karma to others. Those who can teach correctly about karma will gain significant merit. Still, to effectively teach the law of karma, one must have personal cultivation, credibility, a virtuous life to serve as an example, and significant merit. Without prior merit, one's words may not be heeded and respected. An even simpler way is to show reverence to the Buddha and the enlightened ones. This does not require interaction with others or any difficult conditions, just a sincere heart filled with reverence for the Buddha and the enlightened saints. However, to develop such reverence, one must study and practice extensively, as it is not a simple task.
Question 38. How about people from other religions who worship their deities? What kind of merit do they gain?
This depends on the nature of the deity in that religion. If the deity is an enlightened one, then revering them can bring great merit. However, If the deity does not possess qualities of enlightenment, then worship may not result in as much merit as expected. Many followers believe that their deities reside in the heavens and have the power to bestow blessings or punishment, so they sincerely pray to receive blessings and hope to be welcomed into heaven after death. Some devotees sincerely pray and experience positive outcomes, while others fervently pray but see no results, leading to doubt. This depends on individual merit. Those with more merit may see their prayers answered, while those with less merit may not see any results.
Question 39. When someone faces difficulties and prays for help, is this in accordance with the law of karma?
The law of karma is strict, yet it also allows for flexibility. For instance, if a person faces a bad karmic consequence, such as an accident, and prays to deities for protection, the deities can intervene. If the person in trouble has a sincere heart and has done good deeds, the deities may use their powers to help him overcome the danger, similar to how we may assist others in times of hardship. In this case, the person is essentially borrowing merit from the deities, which means that they must repay this merit with their own good deeds in the future, instead of enjoying it as they usually would. Conversely, if someone facing difficulties does not perform good deeds and merely waits for help, they may find that in times of trouble, no assistance is forthcoming and their prayers go unanswered.
Question 40. In the higher realms, do the deities of different religions know each other?
Most deities are created by human imagination, so followers often do not have a clear understanding of what these deities are truly like and simply believe what they have been told. Each religion has its own deities due to the differing perspectives of religious leaders. If these leaders achieve enlightenment and can perceive the heavenly realms clearly, they will understand the deities as unified and harmonious, without division by religion. In the human realm, we tend to distinguish between people of different religions. But in the higher realms, deities only differentiate between those who are virtuous and those who are not. The deities do not require human beings to know them accurately to offer assistance. Instead, they decide to help based on people's morality and virtue.